Have you ever wondered how ordinary people get started in options trading? Well, if you told me a few years ago that I'll be trading options, I probably wouldn't have believed you. Hi everyone, my name is JD and welcome to JD's trading journey. Before I ever placed my first options trade, I started exactly where many investors begin, buying individual stocks. I spent time learning about companies, following the market, and building my confidence as an investor. As I continued learning, I eventually shifted more of my focus towards ETFs because I liked the diversification and long term investing approach they offered. For a while, I was comfortable with that strategy. But as I spent more time reading about investing and personal finance, I keep hearing about options trading. To be honest, it sounded intimidating. There were all these unfamiliar terms: calls, puts, strike prices, premiums, expiration dates, and it seemed like something only professional traders understood. At first, I avoided it completely, but curiosity got the better of me. I started watching videos, reading articles, and learning the basics. The more I learned, the more I realized that options weren't just for speculation. They could also be used strategically. I discovered that some traders were using options to generate income, potentially buy stocks at lower prices, and enhance their overall investing approach. That completely changed my mind. Now, I'm not a Wall Street professional. I'm actually a school teacher. Like many people, I work hard for my paycheck, and I'm always looking for ways to improve my financial future while continuing to learn new skills. That's what led me deeper into options trading. I spent months studying before placing trades with real money. And even today, I'm still learning. I had wins, I had mistakes, and I've learned valuable lessons from both. That's actually one of the main reasons I started this channel. I wanted to document my journey in a transparent way. Not just the successful trades, not just the profits, but the entire process of learning options trading as an everyday person. So on these channels, I'll be sharing real trades, real lessons, real results, and the strategies I'm learning along the way. My goal isn't to present myself as an expert. My goal is to share the journey honestly and help others who may be on a similar path. So, if you are new to options trading, thinking about getting started, or simply interested in following the real trading journey, I'd love to have you join me. So, make sure to subscribe and follow as long along as we learn, trade, and grow together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.